It's breakfast time. I've got avocados and I'm going to have avocado on toast, but with a Flavourista difference. I'm going to pop some Sourly Guacamole on it. Now, Sourly Guacamole's got onion, garlic, red peppers, cumin, parsley, chives, chili, black pepper and salt. Now this is sort of adding things to your diet to help you with your health as well as adding a ton of flavour. Now this is what it looks like. All I'm going to do is just pop this in my bowl. I've got my fork and we're going to mash that up while we put the toaster on. It's easy as this actually makes an unreal dip. Really nice dip. So you just mash it up, and what we're going to do is when I spread it on my toast, I'm going to pop some Toastie on it. Now I've got a bit of avocado in here. I have to chuck the other bit of it away. It's not going to mash, but that's okay. We'll pop it on the side. That's what videos do to you. Now, I wanted to show you this. This is Toastie. This is what Toastie looks like. And this is what we're going to sprinkle on top of our toast, which is, what have we got in here? We've got sesame seed, onion, garlic, salt, poppy seeds and chive. So that's adding even more to your diet. So if you're adding seeds and you're adding your spices, it's all really good for you. And then we're going to top it off with Tassie devil salt. If you can see that salt, I'm just going to sprinkle. You only need a really little bit of this salt. And I'm going to sprinkle a bit on the top. It's got Himalayan salt, pepperberry. Sorry, I should have glasses. Old man saltbush, lime peel powder, cumin, coriander, and chili powder. Now, what a combination! So you're adding all that to your breakfast. Now, I'm not sure about this toaster because I haven't used it before. We have a breadboard, and our toast is ready. We just pop our toast out. Spoon your mash on. You don't need butter and all that kind of thing when you're having avocado. Avocado is a good fat. It's very good for your heart, good for your body. And that's my bit in there that didn't work, if you remember. I had a hard bit. I'm going to pop it on anyway because I don't like waste. And we just pop it around our toast. This one looks yummy. They all look yummy. Just a simple way to have a quick breakfast, but you're adding lots of yummies to it. Then all I do is I get my Toastie, sprinkle it on the top, and avocado needs salt, so we use the Tassie devil salt. We just put a little sprinkle, and then I just pop it on my plate. You can see I'm a butcher in the kitchen. Hey, but that's what farm life's about, isn't it? And there we go, we have breakfast. Yum.